Welcome to the Speak Easy English Show.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English Show. If you're new here, hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Jessie.
Have you ever gone to a restaurant and didn't know what to say in English?
Maybe you say, chicken, water, rice.
And the waiter is confused.
Or you understand the menu, but you feel nervous to speak.
Today, we fix that. You will learn how to enter a restaurant, order clearly, ask questions, handle problems, and speak naturally.
And stay with us later. You'll handle a full restaurant conversation yourself.
Subscribe and practice with us every day. Restaurant English is simple if you follow the steps. 1. Greeting. 2. Table. 3. Order. 4. Questions. 5. Eating. 6. Payment.
If you know this flow, you won't feel lost.
Repeat after me. Hello. Pause. Good evening. Pause.
Now, a table for two, please. Pause. A table for one, please see. Pause.
More natural. Do you have a table for two? Pause.
Now you try. Pause.
Repeat. Can I see the menu? Pause. I'd like a chicken dish. Pause. Can I have a burger? Pause.
Now real restaurant questions. Dine in or takeaway? Pause. Spicy or not spicy? Pause. Small, medium, or large? Pause.
Your answers. For here, please. Pause. Not spicy. Pause. Medium, please. Pause.
Now, drinks. Water, please. Pause. Can I have juice? Pause.
Now you try full order. Pause 6 secured. If this feels easier now, if this lesson is helping you speak more naturally, please subscribe because every episode helps you build real-life English step by step. Quick tip. When you read a menu, don't try to understand everything. Look for keywords. Chicken, rice, soup, spicy.
Yes, just find the main idea. That's enough to order.
Stay with us in a moment. You'll use this in a full conversation. Repeat. What do you recommend? Pause. Is this spicy? Pause.
More useful. Does this have meat? Pause. Is this vegetarian? Pause.
Now combine. What do you recommend for beginners? Pause.
Now your turn? Pause.
Reactions. This is good. Pause. This is delicious. Pause.
More natural. This tastes amazing. Pause. I love this. Pause.
More realistic. This is okay. Pause. It's a little spicy. Pause. It's too salty. Pause.
Problems. Excuse me. Pause. This is cold. Pause. This is not my order. Pause.
Advanced simple. Can you change this? Pause. One time, I went to a restaurant. I wanted chicken soup. But I said, I want chicken water.
Oh no.
The waiter didn't understand. I felt nervous.
What did you do?
I pointed at the menu and finally got the right food. That day, I learned something important. If you don't know the word, use simple English.
Yes, simple English is powerful. And if this practice is helping you speak more naturally, please subscribe and hit that like button and keep practicing with me step by step.
Now, listen carefully. This is a full restaurant conversation, slow and clear. Waiter. Hello, welcome. Hello, a table for two, please. Waiter. Of course. Please come this way.
Thank you. Waiter. Here is your table. Can I give you the menu?
Yes, please.
What do you recommend? Waiter. Our chicken pasta is very popular.
Okay, I'd like the chicken pasta.
I'll have a salad, please. Waiter. Would you like anything to drink?
Water, please.
Can I have juice? Waiter. Sure, 1 water and 1 juice. Short pause. This looks good.
Yes, it smells great. After eating.
Wow, this is delicious.
Yes, I really like it. Problem scenario. Excuse me, this is a little cold. Waiter. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll fix it.
Thank you.
Can we have the bill, please? Waiter. Of course.
Thank you.
Great. That is a full, real conversation.
If you understand most of this, you are doing very well.
And if you want to speak like this naturally, subscribe and keep practicing with us. Now repeat after me, slowly. A table for two, please. Pause. Can I see the menu? Pause. What do you recommend? Pause. I'd like the chicken pasta. Pause. I'll have a salad. Pause. Water, please. Pause. Can I have juice? Pause. This is delicious. Pause. Excuse me, this is cold. Pause. Can we have the bill, please? Pause.
Again, a little faster. Repeat with slightly faster pace.
Now one more time, more natural tone. Repeat with smooth flow.
Nice. Your speaking is getting smoother.
And if you want more speaking practice like this, share, subscribe, and keep learning with us lesson by lesson.
Now in small chunks. A table for two. Can I see the menu? Pause. What do you recommend? I'd like chicken pasta. Pause. I'll have a salad, water, please. Pause. This is delicious. I love this. Pause.
Now, full sentence flow. I'd like a chicken dish and water, please. Pause. What do you recommend for beginners? Pause.
Good. Now it sounds like real conversation.
Now, common mistakes. I want food. I'd like food. Repeat. I'd like food. Pause. Give me water. Can I have water? Repeat. Can I have water? Pause. Bring menu. Can I see the menu? Repeat. Can I see the menu? Pause. I take chicken. I'll have chicken. Repeat. I'll have chicken. Pause. These small changes make your English polite and natural. Now your turn. Speak out loud. Normal round. Hello, what would you like? Pause 6 sec.
I'd like a pizza, please.
Anything to drink? Pause.
Water, please.
Anything else? Pause.
That's all. Thank you.
Quick answers. Ready? What would you like? Pause. Drink? Pause. Anything else? Pause. Bill? Pause.
Nice. That's real conversation speed.
Now, fluency test. Level 1. Order simple food. Example. Hello. I'd like a burger. Water, please. Level 2. Order plus ask plus react. Example. Hello. A table for two, please. I'd like a chicken dish. Is this spicy? This is delicious.
If you can say even 2-3 sentences clearly, you are already doing great.
Pause the video now and speak for 60 seconds. Soft pause.
Great job. Now your homework. Write your restaurant order in the comments.
Example. I'd like a burger and juice. Is this spicy? That's all. Thank you.
Try to make it real.
Next, we go to a hotel and you'll learn how to check in confidently in English. Like the video, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.